Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Citrine Profusion palette. And that's what it looks like. This is one of Profusion's new palettes that they came out with. The other one is the Fuchsia palette, but I'm going to play with this one in another video, so keep your eye out for that. But today we're going to be playing with the Citrine, and it's kind of a little bit of a challenge for me with these colors, but I think I got a look that's going to be pretty nice and pretty wearable. So if that's something that you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take my glasses off and put a little bit of Milani eye primer. I'm going to put a little bit of that on my eyes to prime my eyes. So I've never played with Profusion before. This will be my first time. And I also have some of their brushes to try out with their palette as well. So we'll see how they work. Before we get started, I wanted to remind you guys about the giveaway that I'm doing. When I hit 25, right now I'm at 12 subscribers. When I hit 25 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So if you know anybody that would like my content, share, and hopefully we'll get to 25 soon. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so I'm going to take the ES3 Pointed Crease Eyeshadow Brush. Kind of looks like that. And they have really nice like matte black handles. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to go into Blessed right here. I hope I'm pointing to the right one. Blessed. I'm going to take Blessed and I'm going to put that in my crease. Alright, now I'm going to take the Firm Blending Eyeshadow Brush, the ES2, and it looks kind of like that. It's flat. And I'm going to take this color T down here, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. I'm going to take Taboo on a flat shader eyeshadow ES5. It's just a little flat shader. I'm going to see if I can't pick that up with it and put that on the other part of my lid. Taking a cotton round, some micellar water just to clean everything up. I'm going to take the Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. And I'm going to put that on my face. I'm taking the Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation in Ivory 10. And I'm going to start by dotting that on my face. Taking my BK Beauty brush and I'm going to blend that out. I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in Porcelain. I'm going to put that under my eyes. And as always, I'm just putting a dot here on the inner corner and then just a little bit on the outer corner. Dot. And then a little bit on the outer corner. And I'm taking a concealer brush and I'm going to blend that out. I'm taking the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. Taking the ColourPop Coconut Beach Pressed Powder Bronzer. And I'm going to use that to warm up my face. I'm going under my chin. And down my neck. I'm taking the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. And I'm going to use that to warm up my cheeks. Going over the nose so I can be sun-kissed and sunburnt. I'm taking Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in 250. I think it's the Nikki Tutorials one. If I can open it, I'll show it to you a little bit better. There we go. I'm going to put that on the high points of my face, starting with my cheeks. You can hear that. That's my daughter playing in the other room. She's getting a little loud. She's watching TV and playing with her dolls. She's 7. Now I'm going to take the Flat Precise Eyeshadow ES7. It looks like that. I hope I got it in the thing. And I'm going to go into T again. And I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this small pointed eyeshadow ES6. And I'm going to try to use that to put some, put the Gold Digger on my inner corner. Alright, I'm going to throw on some Essence Lash Princess. I'm just going to throw on my ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil and Dewdrop, just the clear. I'm taking Milani and Make It Last setting spray. Alright, well this is the final look using the Profusion Citrine palette. And I'm super excited. I love the shimmers, definitely. The mattes blended out really well, but the shimmers did great, especially with this brush that I used. This one, the Flat Shader Eyeshadow ES5. I mean, I have some high-end brushes that I can't pick up shimmers with and do it. So I'm real excited to keep trying the formula, which I have 4 palettes, so I guess I have plenty of time to try it out. Like I said, the fuchsia, the new fuchsia, we're going to use in another video. But I also have the Bear and the Emeralds. So let me know down below if you would want to see a look with the Bear and the Emeralds. I haven't decided yet whether I want to do it or not, but I'm definitely going to do the fuchsia since it's a new palette. So y'all can kind of see what it looks like. But Profusion is sold at Walmart, some Walmarts. I know our Walmart doesn't carry Profusion, so I had to order this online. That's why I ordered, well, I wanted to order the Emeralds, but I had to order the Bear so I could get free shipping. I think the brushes worked perfect. I'm loving the brushes. I can't wait to play with them some more as well. Between them and Alter Ego, they've really upped the game on what I expect from inexpensive brushes. Alright y'all, I think that's going to be all for me. There's nothing else to say other than I really enjoyed this palette. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe so you can become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I guess that's going to be all, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye y'all.